Hello, I'm Ring the rabbit. And here's my friend Turkey. Oh, no, he's. Oh, here he is.
Oh, he's cute.
I made him.
Let me see. Ellie, that's a great job.
What do you need me for? I need you for work. No, I don't want to do lots of work. Because I'm going to bed. Oh, please wake up, Mr. Turkey. I can't find you. I will throw you down.
Is he gonna eat the turkey?
No.
No.
Where is Rainbow? Wait. Here he is. Wait. Here he is. What? What do you need me for? I need you for work. I don't have that much friends for work. I don't want to do any work. Okay, then I'll eat you up. Where's Fanny? Where's Colorful Fan? Here I am, here I am. What do you need me for? Work. Okay, I'll hope. Bing, 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 bing. Wait, I don't know anymore.
You did a great job. A plus, A plus.
I'm not done!
Oh, whoa, don't yell at me. Well, what's wrong? Do you need a timeout? Want to practice some more?
Here's where are you, Cupcake? Here I am. What do you need me for?
Did I eat you?
For work. I don't want work because I'm going on a date with my girlfriend. Here she is. So, but if anybody doesn't work out, eat you all up. Num num num. Num num num. Num num num.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Num num num.
Make Mr. Ring sing Turkey's Pick.
No.
Okay, sorry.
Yum yum yum. That was all.
Take a bow. Take a bow.
Not done.
You just said that was all. You're not being very nice.
No, I didn't say that was all. I said that was all eating.